Like, I'm gonna literally hold my horn on you.
Man, what the fuck wrong with these people, man? At me on. Hey, back at him. Fuck. Man, fuck. Hey, man, wait a minute, bro. This nigga ain't finna be goddamn. Wait a minute. No,
Baby,
hold
go.
on.
The light is green.
Hold on. What's wrong? These folk keep blowing at me, man.
Cause the light was green and you just still sitting there.
Man, they gotta go wait for the car in front of me to go ahead.
Yeah, yeah.
What's up, M&N Gang? It's your girl Naya, and today I am back. I'm back again. Y'all back with another video. I'm back with another video. Prank Wars is in full effect. Like, so if you ain't tuned in, if you ain't watched these videos from beginning to now, if you haven't watched all these prank videos, you ain't no true supporter. Like, you ain't no real OG. Like, you ain't no real M&N fan. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing with your life? Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave me a comment. Your girl is in here in Dollar General, as you can tell by the title and by the thumbnail. Your girl finna do the little honk prank on Nick. I'm finna put on my car, honk for my B-Day. I'm finna get his reaction. Hopefully, a lot of people honk. So while I was in here, I was like, you know what? I'm finna buy me a post, some more, cause I'm finna prank him. If I hadn't already said, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment Team Naya, cause your girl is on it. Your girl is with it, y'all. Comment Team Naya. Okay, gang. So I just got the posters out and I just wrote on them like, honk for my B-Day. I got two of them actually, y'all, so I'm finna put them on the back of my car. So hopefully when people is behind me, they will honk. That's the whole point of this video. So yeah, y'all, give me a second. Let me actually get this on the back of my car and I'll be right there with y'all, okay? Okay, y'all, so I just got the signs on the car, y'all. There you go, honk for my B-Day, honk for my B-Day. So yeah, y'all get the picture. So yeah, make sure y'all go ahead and watch the video to the end, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave me a comment, cause your girl finna get that boy. As always, I'm always pranking you, y'all, so stay tuned with this prank war, cause it's in full effect and you don't want to miss none of these bangers from me or Nick. So yeah, y'all, let's get it, let's go. Y'all, people already honking. Babe, did you end up finding everything you needed at that store?
Hell no, they ain't even have it. That's what I was looking for.
For real?
Yeah. I don't know where else to go.
I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. I'm talking about like trying to think about what to help you find whatever you looking for, but I don't know what to tell you. So looks like a better next try next time.
We go eat tonight.
I don't know. Well, we finna have a cheat night. Well, when I say cheat, like, cause you know we've been consistent with our diet or whatnot. So yeah.
Oh, we talking about like just a weekend night thing.
Yeah, like, cause it is the weekend, Saturday. So I mean, so yeah. Then when I say cheat, I mean you trying to cheat on our diet, or you trying to get like a salad or something. You must have cut in front of somebody. That lady blow the little horn.
Blow that bitch. That's what it sounded like.
It did. I was thinking myself, you must have cut in front of somebody.
I ain't cut in front of nobody. What she got going on? Get over though, cause I like folk do stupid stuff. Pull up on the side of me so I can see you.
No, go.
I'm saying though.
Pay attention to the road.
Shit.
And get back to thinking what we gonna eat. You trying to get like, dang, they blowing you again.
Man, whatever hold these folk blowing at me, bro.
You stop trying to cut in front of people.
I'm saying these folk done lost their name, man.
I'm just saying. I blow at you too. You don't cut in front of me.
That's another truck. That car. No, that car. Which one? That one or that? No, it was that one. That one I did it first time, then that one behind me did it. Yeah,
I I'm just telling you, like I said, stop cutting in front of people you don't want to blow.
Cut in front of nobody, bro. Stop blowing at me to get shot. Fine,
we don't need that.
Shit.
But
you playing, we
what we
gonna
finna
use
get? You want like some chicken or something?
Man, this woman done blowed at me again, bro. What the hell wrong with her? I'm finna hit on brakes.
Baby, chill. You in my car. You hit on brakes in my car.
Shit, blowing at me and shit.
What?
They need to cut on the damn light. Why she blowing at me? Oh, that. Somebody grandma. Shit.
Huh?
Somebody grandma. That Outback show, that was good the other night when we had it.
It was.
Where we going?
Interstate. What you?
Oh,
what
yeah.
you
Man, what the fuck? Man, hold on. Hell no. Who these folks?
I'm finna go off on them for you, cause it's so sad. Why they keep
blowing
on?
at me, bro? What the fuck? Hold on.
What you
They
doing
been looking like, I
wrong?
don't know. I'm finna catch up with them.
You ain't finna catch up with them in my car. Look like some what? Look like some
on them damn people. Look like some Mexicans.
Why you keep digging?
Huh?
Why you keep digging that?
No, I'm trying to, my shorts, man. I'm trying to get them. You know how it be.
I'm just saying.
Trying to get, you know.
You better focus on the message, cause you don't start cutting in front of people. They don't. I'm telling you.
At me, bro.
Well, I'm sorry, Malika. I'm the type of person too. I'm gonna honk at you too. Like I'm gonna literally hold my horn on you.
Man, what the fuck wrong with these people, man? Back there blowing, them other folk blowing at me behind me, man. Get out behind me, hell. Go around. Damn.
Baby, just calm down.
Ooh,
Calm down, cause you in my car.
Damn. Folk blowing and shit. What the fuck wrong with them?
I'm just saying, calm down.
I'm saying, fuck, they keep blowing their damn horn at me. Back at them.
You can't be blowing at them people.
Damn, fuck they blowing at me for? Shit.
Did you ever decide what we gonna be getting chicken or what?
I don't know. You folk pissing me off, man. Damn.
Ooh, child.
What you gonna eat? You need to be saying something. You make me mad too.
I'm not making you mad. Don't take your frustration out on me, because I'm not the one honking at you. But like I said, if you was in front of me driving like grandma or grandpa, I'm gonna honk at you too.
That stupid dude right there.
We gonna get with churches. What we get something out here at Tiger Town? What are we doing?
I don't know. You got Whataburger right there, Longhorn.
Whataburger?
Whataburger.
What are they?
Whataburger. What a burger.
I heard that is nasty.
That's how you feel.
I'm just saying.
You got the Mexican right there. Got all type of stuff over there. What do you want to eat? You need to be saying something.
No, you need to be saying something.
You need to be saying something.
What you got a taste for? Mexican chicken.
Man, I be
Hmm?
Man, that fuck. Hey man, wait a minute, bro. This nigga ain't finna be goddamn. Wait a minute. No,
Baby,
hold
go.
on.
The light is green.
Hold on.
Okay, the light green.
What the hell wrong? These folk keep blowing at me, man.
Cause the light was green and you just still sitting
Man,
there.
they gotta go wait for the car in front of me to go here.
Cause I'm sorry, you still sitting at the green light. I'm gonna blow at you too. Hey, you check yourself.
I'm straight. Just saying. Folk blowing the shit at me, man. Stupid ass folk. No one thing. Blow it again. Get on me.
I'll
Blow
let
it
the
again.
window for you. Let the
Move.
window up.
Blow it again.
Okay, let the window up.
I dare you to blow again.
They can't hear you, so let the window up.
Blow it goddamn again.
You see the back of that car say, wait a minute.
That's what I'm on. Wait a minute. Shit. Wait a minute. Folk playing out here, man. You don't play like, man.
I'm just saying, you was sitting at the green light though, babe. I'm
saying
sorry.
don't be blowing at me though, bro.
But if
Don't blow at me. Man. Then we got you got me going all the way to the other side of town, bro.
baby, we don't have to go there. It's
What
not
do
a
you
big
want to
deal.
eat then? Damn, I'm tired of repeating myself with that
Baby,
too.
you're not gonna keep on taking your frustration out on me because people keep honking at you.
Well, this your car. What the hell you done did to it?
Wait.
You know, this your car. They honking at the motherfucker.
They're honking at the driver.
They're honking at the driver.
What have you been?
The driver
They
needs to
before
learn
these
how to
folk, man,
drive.
You been messing with these folk, man. That's what's going on.
Yeah, you probably messing with that woman. The reason why they hunking at you.
No, this ain't my
See, they
cousin.
don't clear all that land off.
Oh, yeah, when they do that?
I don't know what they probably finna put some houses right there.
More than likely. Put a shot of somebody in somebody's ass. They keep honking their horns at me. Put a shot in somebody's ass.
You need to chill out.
You
You get to beat that call.
Beat it? Shit. Hold up. Hey, man, what the fuck? Man, what's wrong with these folk, man? I'm tired of... Man, these
You
folk...
can't be honking back at the folk. They just trying to tell you to get over.
What the hell they blowing at me for?
So he telling you to get over in the
Damn,
lane.
Shania truck coming. I just can't get over that. They honking
Baby,
and
what
shit,
I'm saying,
man.
he was saying get in front of him.
Damn, these folk...
If you calm down, he honking to say get in front of him.
You don't know what...
Dang, you going off for no reason, and the man was just
These
trying to
folk
tell you
honking
to
and
get
shit,
your...
man. That man was saying that to you. Toot, toot, toot. Toot, toot, toot. Crazy, man. Damn folk. What the fuck he laughing at, man? What are he laughing? What the fuck so funny, man? He folk around about me laughing. Look at him, bro. What the hell wrong with these people, bro? They around about letting out they wood and hookah. What the hell wrong with these folk, man? These people done lost it, bro. Here come another car with the
I bet you they
with...
saying you ride like a grandmama on the interstate. You ride just like a grandmama.
I'm finna fly. What the hell these folk around by me honking? Dude, you see him yelling like the winner to my... Whoa! The fuck? What the hell going on, man? That's a live vet, man. What's wrong with these folks?
It looked like they were ready to party.
You know what I'm saying?
They
He
ready
ran
to
by,
turn
whoa! What the fuck wrong with you, dude? Crazy, man. Shit, man, them white boys be crazy. They be wild. They be wild, turn up type, man.
I like that, though. They lit. They trying to tell you, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up.
Turning up, all right. Folk better stop blowing at me back here for real, bro.
I'm just saying, you would drive like a grandma on the state. You don't need no pistol.
No, bro.
Man, you got mad because that lady was trying to tell you to get in front of her. Like she honked her horn saying, get in front of her. What you get mad for?
That woman ain't do this. That woman honked her dang horn for no reason. Folk acting a fool, right? Go on and get over if you go. Get over here. I'm hook my horn at them then. Shit. Everybody honking their horn at me, I'm gonna hook mine at them. Hey, crazy ass fool. I ain't playing. That chicken sure do sound good.
It sound great.
That white boy was dirt though.
He was like, that's what he was like. When he wanted down. He was trying to make sure you see him.
He come around, man. If I had something, if I had, you know, one of them short strings on a moving like, it'll go like somebody in the good cut that whole head off. Crazy fool. They go, yeah. Cut the tongue off.
Your phone, baby.
Hello?
I call it just like you.
Huh?
Go no.
Nah. Man, what the hell these folks keep goddamn blowing this shit at me for? Man? Say what? No, man. These cars still around my blowing this shit. Where you at? Oh. What y'all got going on though? Oh. I'm finna grab something to eat right now myself. Jerry, that goddamn Jerry. Get on, Jerry. Say what? I don't know who these folks is. Call. No, just driving down the road. I'm over here finna get me something to eat from Churchill. Hold on real quick. I'm gonna call you right back.
Thank you for choosing Texas. How can I help you?
Baby,
Huh?
that woman just told me she'll honk her horn at me, but she ain't got nothing.
Huh?
Why that woman just behind me? She just said she'll honk her horn at me, but she ain't got nothing.
So why would she say that?
That's what I'm asking you. What you done did?
I put it on the back of the car, honk, for my birthday.
Man, that's playing while all these folk walk around blowing the stuff at me, man. You play too much,
You
man.
might want to get out and take them out just so the police won't try to stop her.
I'ma tell them you did. I'ma snitch. Damn sure go snitch. Sure go snitch. Cause you ain't have no business doing that.
Yeah, I was getting a good laugh off of this. Why somebody had to tell? I don't understand. Damn, mind y'all business.
Man, I swear I would just will my car. That woman,
Hey, in my business, don't do that.
that woman said, I will honk at you, but I don't have a horn. I said, what? She said, I would honk at you, but I don't have a horn. She pointed at the back of the car. What the fuck you talking about? Man, you don't stop playing like that. You feel me? You got me confused. I don't know. I'm thinking the woman losing. Hey, I'm thinking she done lost it.
Baby, the whole time that poster been back there, that's why everybody been honking at
That's
you.
why everybody been honking and blowing
Oh my God, y'all.
freaking horns at me.
Yeah. I hope y'all got a good laugh off of this video, because this video was definitely a banger. I don't care what nobody say, this was a banger. So make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave me a comment. Once again, all the comments should say Teen Night. Everybody that watching this, drop Teen Night. If you're a part of Teen Night, do not comment, because I don't want to hear from
Hey,
you.
nigga, we coming back, baby. We coming back hard, man. We gotta get this back.
Like I said, prank wars is in full effect, so they coming back to back to back to back. But babe, you got anything else to say before I let the M&N Gang go?
Let's cut that stuff.
Y'all, your girl done did it, your girl done did it. But I'll be right back with y'all for my next video, my next prank. Y'all DM me some ideas, because y'all know prank wars is going on, and I got to be strong with it, you feel me? So yeah, let's get it, let's go.